And now we have plus area and target is 14 millimeter, and I take little by little that lead away, that way, all areas, and I work little by little, and then I check that in every minute that when this my socket goes inside, and I can little bit rotate that, and then I can use file what is like different sides, and now we can see that this LED is going nicely and very fast, because this my file is harder file, and this LED is really soft. Okay, and now I work that, and then I check with every minute that when this my socket goes inside. And then one warning thing. Remember that do not touch this one and that one in same time, because then there is those sparkings and this electric shock possibility. That be always your tool in that way that it don't take contact in here in same time. Remember that. You can use this like protective thing. Okay, and now I work in here a couple of minutes, and I can use also electric grinding machine that I can faster take this material away, but it is good to be carefully that we don't do this pike and this pole too thin, because then it is like scrap and useless battery. Okay, and now I work couple of minutes that we can see this result. Okay, and then I have this excellent Makita battery angle driver, what is like now cutting disc, and using that disc I can also sand this faster. You can think that which one is better to you, and then we can also use this special even harder disc in this my angle driver, and then this material removing is really fast. But be carefully that you don't take too much this material. And now I work a little bit with that LED, that we can see that how soon I can do that in 14 millimeter size. Okay, and now I have worked in here about 10 minutes, and I have cried and filed, and I have removed material both of these sides, And now there is this my 14mm socket, and this plus side must be in 14, and now this socket goes nicely in there, and look that this is like shape head, this LED.